Hi friends, we're going to color the letter L for the word love with pink, red, mid-green and dark green. Remember to place 3 to 4 paper sheets under your page before you start with the coloring. Try to put aside 60 to 70 minutes to do this project. You can also break it up into 20 minutes at a time or half an hour, whichever way you prefer. The first 3 colors are done and we're going to use the dark green for shading. Remember to also sharpen your pencil again before you start with the detail in the little leaves and the dots. Dark green shading around the hearts will make them pop more. See the link in the description for the printable coloring pages. All the coloring pages are hand drawn by me. And the L is done. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more creative content. See you next time. And now that we are done with the L, how would you do the O, the V and the E?